Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to mention all friends in Facebook comments. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook application in your mobile phone and look for a post that you wanted to mention all your friends or to comments and mention all your friends. So like this one, this post, I will use this post as an example. So just press comments and write on the comments add and then friends and then space and make sure to not click any of these pages and then just click this blue arrow facing on the right side, this one, to mention all your friends on a Facebook post comments. So that's it. That's how you mention all friends in Facebook comments. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and updates.